And I designed this wastewater treatment plant.
I build the highways of tomorrow.
I search the earth for base and precious metals.
My job is to build tomorrow's airports today.
I design roller coasters of the future.
I'm an environmental,
Geological, structural, mechanical,
geotechnical engineer, and I help build the foundations for the oil sands. The profession has tremendous opportunities. We design and build things, and it varies from dam structures all the way to the oil sands, to high-rises, to airports, to contaminated sites.
Engineering is very diverse. It involves not only the theory behind building something, it's the practicality of operating, of maintaining. Because often it's not what you build, it's how people perceive it. The world has changed in a substantial way, and engineers are at the forefront of it.
I'm a computer engineer and I design information systems. We have gaming as an industry, a lot of video type games, a lot of animation. Everything we do today on our daily lives has some aspect of engineering in it. So I like to explore things, I like to make things work and make life easier for people.
I get a real sense of pride when I come to a place like the Annacis Island wastewater treatment plant. I really feel like the work I've done on the design is really helping to benefit the community and our environment. So it's really been a dream come true for me.
The work we do is really cool. It never gets boring. Every day is a different challenge, a different excitement. Engineering isn't just purely working with numbers, it's coming up with ideas. We've developed a very unique roller coaster which uses robots to be able to touch the senses of each of the individuals that go onto the ride and give them the total experience using state-of-the-art equipment and state-of-the-art design. When I talk to people that have been on the rides that I've been involved with and they say that's the best ride I have ever been on, that is exciting.
I still have that natural curiosity to understand more about our planet Earth. I love being outdoors and had just a real interest in looking at rocks, wondering how they were formed, what the colors were all about, where they came from. I like to think of it as working on a jigsaw puzzle, so each piece of the puzzle represents a clue to help us, in my case, discover base and precious metal deposits that are perhaps buried 200, 300 meters below the surface, and they were formed maybe 200 million years ago.
Never throw anything away, you take it apart and figure out why it's broken. And if you can't figure out why it's broken, you at least salvage the pieces you can use for something else. I like actually building things. That's the part that's satisfying. It's been a lot of fun. Somebody wants to do something, you're charged with going out there to try and find out an efficient, economical way of fixing the problem. But learn from your successes as well as from your failures. That's part of engineering. There's always going to be a need for the engineering. I think we're just sort of scraping the surface of the technologies that are available to us right now.
I always wanted to be involved in building buildings, but not just building them, I wanted to be involved in designing them. It's not necessarily just about sitting at a desk and crunching numbers, and the profession continues to change, the state of the art continues to change. We're interested in designing cool things that help people live better lives. 20 years ago, sustainable design wasn't on the radar with a lot of people. now number 1 or number 2 on the national agenda. That's exciting to be part of that.
You can sort of make your impact any way you want to make your impact on the world. And you can help the world out a lot of different ways through helping the environment or helping reduce climate issues. Anytime we build infrastructure like a road or a new subdivision, there's always issues about slope stability or how building that development affects the environment. And at the end of the day, when you come home, you just feel like you're part of a really cool profession. How can you beat being outside on a day like this?
I chose engineering because I was really interested in building large, complicated structures. We have to provide safety for the public. We have to provide products that are going to withstand long periods of time, and engineers are the backbone of that whole process. You're never going to be bored. You're always going to be doing something different. Every day is a new challenge. Being involved in this project from the start to the finish has been real exciting.
You do get to travel a lot.
My work has taken me across Canada,
Australia,
Hong Kong,
throughout the United States,
Malaysia,
South America,
and to the British Virgin Islands.
Opportunities to travel, definitely there. Opportunities to stay at home if you want to do that, that's there as well.
Whether we know it or not, we've all been engineers
all our lives.
From babies
Playing with super blocks
to kids,
building sandcastles, and teenagers
playing with video games. Engineering is all around us.
I think the hands-on aspect of engineering is really great.
You actually have to bring a lot of creativity into engineering.
Engineering is definitely a career that can bring you anywhere.
You're able to use the science and build anything you want with it. And that's the special part about engineering.
If you're strong and creative and if you're passionate about it, then you can do a lot of things in the field of engineering.